here we have the Cypress Tower bank of elevators here at the Drury Plaza at Lake Buena Vista. Similar setup to the one over at the Palm Tower. There's Wilt right there. And I believe these are just late Gen 2s in general. No Gen 3 teasers whatsoever. And we got the hostel size one. Gen 2 lantern.
What floor?
10th floor.
Alright, this one goes up to 15.
Second.
Stop on 2.
Go up. What floor?
12, please.
12, I got you.
There's more people coming.
Floor.
Oh, thanks.
Going up.
Where's the speaker? Oh, there it is.
Under the numbers.
It sounds like it's coming from the roof.
Yeah, it echoes around too.
Woo!
Have a good one, you guys.
Yeah, cheers, thanks.
Step over here now.
This hotel has one that I've never heard before. Free dinner.
Interesting.
And free breakfast.
15.
Probably for hotel guests.
Well, yeah, for sure. But it's really interesting.
Alright, no wait, we'll get a cab while we're up here. Similar to the one over at the other tower.
It's a little wet in here.
Yeah, nice elevator though. These are your Series 2 buttons. Certificate, send it down to L, please.
Ding.
Elevator 3, capacity is 4,000, and there's your floor indicator. So we got a non-stop trip going down. I think these go 500 feet per minute as well. Well, look at that, non-stop trip going down to the lobby.
Nice. And we'll end down here.
Oh, let's go back at the 15, get a view.
Going up.
Give me that.
So our post button works. Get a better view of the indicator.
$15. Floor.
Here up on 15. Okay. I'll watch Will go down the elevator.
Oh, I was gonna hold it for you.
Oh no, I'm just gonna walk around here. You're good. Alright. Here's your view from the 15th floor of this tower. Down there's the pool. Sorry, it's hard to see because it's nighttime out. Got a hot tub over there, which is kind of crowded. Similar view from the other tower. It's right towards Dizzy Springs. Sorry, it's hard to see because it's nighttime, like I said. Hello. Get a view of the guest floor. Got another window right here. And nothing exciting from this side, looks like. Yeah, you can't see much since it's nighttime. Ice dispenser. See, that's open a little bit. For now, let's go down this guest hallway and see what that view offers. I believe this tower here is actually the additional tower. When this hotel became at Best Western, it was just one tower. Now there's 2 separate towers. And here's your view towards the Hyatt Regency right there. We got some glass elevators over there. And otherwise, nothing really else to see. They have the parking lot down there. Again, sorry for the glare. Might see State Road 535 over there, but probably not. You might get a view towards the Orlando I-Drive metro area. Extra set of steps. And now we'll go back down the electric elevator and end it down there. There's a wild Will down there.
You get the service card here.
Yeah, I just noticed it.
She can't ride it, but there it is.
Yep, that's the service
I've been
elevator.
on it, interestingly enough, to Gen 3.
Interesting, nice. So that was a peek at the service car. And now we'll go back down to passenger elevators. Like I said, these here are late Gen 2s, while the other tower has a mix of Gen 2 and Gen 3, or just basically Gen 2.5. Oh, got this car.
Going down.
So with this car, lots more than the one we rode coming up here. Alright, we'll end it down at the lobby. I'm not going to do a round trip on this elevator. Non-stop trip. Actually, nobody's waiting. Let's get a round trip on this elevator. Wow.
Floor.
Non-trip going up and down. Non-stop trip, I should
Going
say.
down.
And now we will officially end at the lobby. Door close button works. We all like that. Get a caveat this car.
Howdy, howdy.
There's Will. It's pretty much the same as the hospital-sized one, except this one's a lot smaller and it has a taller ceiling, just like the hospital-sized one.
I love the mirror in the back.
Yeah, these are your buttons, certificates. Fancy Stark 100. This is elevator 1. And here we're back at the lobby.
Beep. Brand new.
I do like that mirror as well. Hey there. Alright. There goes the elevator. And that will be it.